मैं डॉक्टर देवी प्रसाद तिवारी MCH यूरोलॉजिस्ट 2016 एम्स से पास आउट हूँ एंड आई डिड माई पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम PGI चंडीगढ़, बोथ आर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ नेशनल इम्पोर्टेंस। एंड मेरी मदर का जो इलाज कराना था तो आई शुड चूज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पर्सन इन दिस कंट्री, सो आई वेंट थ्रू इंटरनेट एंड थ्रू माई सीनियर्स हु आर देयर इन Delhi, and they told me one of the best hand is Dr. Radha Madhav Sahu. But after knowing that he is not in Gurgaon, we came to know he is in Odisha, and we took 2-3 days to decide whether to go Odisha or not, क्योंकि it was very far and there is no straight road like from Bihar to Delhi. तो हमने 1-2 दिन में वो किया, बट रिजल्ट माँ का ऑपरेशन करना था और रिजल्ट चाहिए था हमको, so that's why we forgot about the distance and we came here. And after coming here we found it is very wonderfully designed hospital. Dr. Radha Madhav Sahu has already explained me how he was doing surgery. Like he has a very high quality vision system, 4K monitors with very up to date instruments of Karl Storz and others required instruments. And say कि endoscopic Doppler, I think this is the first Doppler in India for this skull base surgery. And I have gone through his profile also, and he has organized one Indo-based brain basal skull base surgery seminars in Delhi. I have seen that in internet also. And फिर 2-4 सीनियर्स हैं जो PGI के भी एक ENT के कंसल्टेंट डॉक्टर रह चुके हैं, उनसे भी मैंने बात की, तो आई केम टू नो ही इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट हैंड इन इंडिया. सो वी केम हियर and result is in front of us. This is the post of day 2. She is sitting very comfortably and she didn't have even a single drop of blood. And Dr. Radha Madhav Sahu showed me all surgical procedures and he completely removed it, and we are very much satisfied with his attitude and his skill. And he showed me whole entire recorded surgical video also, and he has asked me to be inside OT also, but I didn't go because it was uncomfortable for me. So but ultimately I could see in very high definition resolution recording that it was very excellent surgery. We are very much satisfied. He explained me each and every anatomy. I think this is the first time I came to know very detailed skull base anatomy. In our MBBS we used to study only bony anatomy, and that was from outside, and it became very clear to me also. And this is very excellent. You please come to this hospital, you will not regret. And I request to everybody and the people of Odisha, actually you need not to go anywhere else. We have inquired in Bombay, we have inquired in Delhi also. He is one of the best hands. So local ko vocal, just like our Prime Minister PM Modi said, local should be vocal. And he is one of the best hand in this skull base surgery. I know only one doctor from Odisha is Dr. Cardiothoracic surgeon, very famous surgeon in Bombay, Ramakant Panda. I think Dr. Ramakant Panda. I hope he will be as famous as like Dr. Ramakant Panda. And one of my faculty member is also there in AIMS, Dr. Naik is also from Odisha. Whoever I met in my life, the people of Odisha was wonderful people, and I wish very progressive future for Dr. Radha Madhav Sahu and for this hospital. And let's hope it will serve to as many people as it is possible in near future also. Thank you everybody, and I will thank to all staff of this hospital, each and everybody, from the cleaning staff to the highest level staff, from the counter staff. Everybody is wonderful. Thank you.